So next we are going to apply the fabric onto this dress. So first of all, if you guys are new to CLO, when we open project at all, we have the default fabric. So default fabric does not come with fabric property. We want to apply certain fabric property that we want. So for example, I want to apply silk fabric onto this dress. I will go to fabric folder here under library tab, double click on it. And then I will type in here silk. And then press on return enter on the keyboard to show it. The fabric that I want here, silk chamois, I'm going to simply click, drag, and drop onto that fabric one there. And if I simulate once again, now the fabric property has changed to silk fabric. I'm going to stop the simulation here. Okay. Next, we're going to apply the fabric texture. To apply the fabric texture, once again, I'm going to come over here to my folder that I brought in earlier, double click on it, and right here, this is the fabric. To apply the fabric texture, it's so simple, guys. What we need to do here is simply click, drag, and drop onto the dress. And by default, I have texture box is checked. I'm going to click on OK to confirm. So when it comes to fabric texture, in Close 3D, we have the option to scale the pattern to big or small. So to scale the pattern, we want to use this scaling tool here. Click on it to select. Then click one right here on this pattern, and then this gizmo pop up. I'm going to click, drag it to the left to scale it down, then drag it to the right to scale it up. So by default, I have my fabric was perfect. I created in Apex Face Design Pro, and then I brought in here is provide me this perfect seamless repeat fabric. So after that, I'm going to apply some elastic here onto this armhole to give it a little bit more snug. So imagine if we sew this area, we will also have the kind of thread tension which create this snug part to have the dress a little bit fit better. To apply the elastic, we want to come over here, click one right here, press on shift, and then click right here. Be sure to continue pressing on shift, and then click right here. Come to property editor, and we want to find elastic, okay? So right here, elastic, and I'm going to change to the strength to 1.5, press on the tab key, and then I'm going to change the ratio here to 100, okay? Then press on the tab key once again. Next, I'm going to come over here and then click on the simulation icon to simulate. So as you can see right here, now the dress and the armhole look kind of a little bit more snug, and that's what we want. So let's strengthen the pattern here a little bit to see the effects on a real life. I'm going to let it continue to simulate until it's finished. Now I'm going to stop the simulation here, and then I'm going to actually unstrengthen the dress so we can see the fabric. And I will come over here and turn on this high quality render in 3D window so we get to see the real life looks. And I have several different kinds of fabric texture. Let me try a different one. And I'm going to apply, let's try this one. See if we like it better. Nope, that's just a little bit too much green for me. Oh, by the way, guys, I also have this wrinkling too. Right here, this is wrinkle effect. I can drag and drop over here and apply it onto there. And then you see these wrinkle effects onto this dress, okay? I have several wrinkle effect, guys. And by the way, this fabric will be listed for sale, $1.99. So you guys can purchase it, and I will have the link below the video. So next, let's say we want to change this color here to solid. Simply come over here, click on that fabric, and then select copy. And I'm going to apply the fabric onto this top. Let's change the name here to top. How about that? And I'm going to my key, select that pattern there, and click on this assign button right there to apply the fabric to. Next, I will click on that fabric and come down here. We want to remove this texture, and then scroll down here to this color chip, and I'm going to simply click and then adjust the color. So by the way, normally I would use this eyedropper tool. For some reason, the eyedropper tool doesn't work, so I have to use the old school part. I'm going to press on escape here to get out, and let's do old school here. So we have to find the color that's similar to the dress here. So let's say I'm happy with this, and I want to save this color so I can apply onto the zipper and so on. Simply click on the plus sign here, and now this color here is saved. All I need to do here, click on apply and close. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion for more awesome video like this. Bye! See you next video!